Does one harsh comment ever make you question yourself completely? Handling criticism doesn't have to derail your confidence. A simple way to start is by having a few empowering responses ready that keep you motivated. Let me show you how. Here is what I just asked ChatGPT. Feel free to pause and copy the prompt if you want. You will see three practical ways to reframe criticism and keep your confidence intact. I like to pick the ones that resonate most and remind myself before reacting. This is a helpful starting point, but real resilience comes from deeper work. The confidence challenge guides you through building unshakable self belief and shows how to respond to feedback without losing momentum. You will get daily exercises and actionable tools that turn any critic into a growth opportunity. I'll link the challenge in the description. It also includes endless free traffic from social media and 30 days of power and purpose to keep your confidence growing daily. For just $7, you can start turning criticism into confidence. Click the link in the description to join the confidence challenge and protect your progress from negative feedback.